barricade their windows, they lock and nail their doors. In fear they try to shut out the light, as if darkness would make them secure. They shelter in their fortress, shun the highmost and weak. From greed and willful blindness, now their poor bones will shiver and squeak. They cry out, please share my life, from your beans, pound, blue and red. In a matter of seconds will they end their pointless strife. There's no hope of death for the wretches condemned to hell. Panic they cling to reason, but the reason won't no good. They'll get there in lightning and the neat cold needle. They cry out, please spare my life, and the veins pound blue and red. In a matter of seconds will they end their pointless strife. There's no hope of death for the wretches condemned to hell. No hope of death, no hope of death on that ruined soul, no hope of death for the Well, how did that pluck us? I was Sore Fingers again with something maybe a lot of you may not have heard. And this is called a song called Wretches, Wretches, from a band called the Coffinshakers. Okay, and I think they're from Sweden. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing the song in the same key that the Coffinshakers play this song in. Okay, so I'll be back shortly to actually show you how to play it, I hope. Okay, see you in a minute. Right then, boys and girls, what you heard in my playthrough there was basically the twangy guitar intro, which is also played in various places in the song. Some verses, a chorus section, and the bridge section, which basically gives you everything you need to make your own arrangement of this song. Okay, so in this lesson, part 1, I am going to show you how to play the twangy guitars intro. Okay, also the rhythm that goes with it. If you've got another guitarist with you, they can play the rhythm underneath it. Okay, so I shall show you that when I've shown you the solo bit. Okay, so starts off with this little lick. So it starts off with an open A string, then you hit the A string again and hammer it to the 2nd fret on the A string, then you play the 4th string open, and then back to the 2nd on the 5th. Okay, then we go to the 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and it's 3 hits on this, and it's like dum, bit of a pause, and then da-dum. So down, up, down. Okay, so go. Then we play the open 4th. Then we go back to the 4th on the 4th. Right, so now we've got. Minute pause and then we hit that one again on the 4th fret of the 4th string and slide it up to the 7th fret on the 4th string. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, as far as we got. Then we do a pause and you hit that one again. So after you come slide, do a pause and then hit it again. Then go to the 5th on the 4th, the 4th on the 4th. So now we've got this. Okay, so as we got. Then we play the open 4th to the 2nd on the 5th. Right, so far. Right, as far as we got. Then you go to the 4th on the 4th again. Minute pause, and then hit it again and slide up to the 5th fret of the 4th string. So after you come out of that, do that. So far from the beginning. That's as far as we got, yeah? Then go back to the 4th on the 4th. And then open 4th. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, so let's slide from 4 to 5, back to the 4. Then the open 4. So let's do that whole bit again very slowly. As far as we got. Then we play the 2nd on the 4th. Then the open 4th again. Right, so from the beginning. As far as we got. Then we play the open 4th. Then we play the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string. And then we're up to the 5th fret of the 5th string, then back to the 4th fret of the 5th string. So now we've got then the open A string, and then the 2nd on the 5th, and that's the end of the first half of the opening guitar bit. Okay, so the whole thing slowly, the whole first half. And then it goes, sort of semi-repeats itself, goes back to the 4th, starts again and goes to that 4th fret of the 4th string, okay? Just like it started the first time round, okay? So after you've come out of that 2nd on the 5th, you go to the 4th on the 4th, 3 hits, open 4th, 4th fret again, so it goes slide, pause, play that one again, back to the fourth, 5th fret of the 4th rod, and then you go to the 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th rod, that one, okay, 2nd on the 4th, so you end up on that, and 5th on the 4th, 4th on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th. Okay, so let's do it all the way from almost there. Okay, just got one little more bit to put on it. So right from the beginning of it, very slowly. That's as far as we've got, yeah? So to finish it off, what we do is this. So what you do there is you just slide from 2 to 4 on the 3rd string, and then you go to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's like 5 hits, and it's like 2, 3, 4, 5, then go to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, and finally the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so that second phrase is right. So comes out of that first phrase, second phrase starts here. And then you do that riff again, the starting riff, the whole thing. The whole thing started off on. Okay, so there's your guitar twangy bit from start to finish. Okay, so let's do the whole intro slowly. Okay. And then we go into the first chord of the song, which is B minor. Okay, so after you've done that, this first chord of the song is a B minor. Okay, so now the chords that are underneath it, for anybody that's got somebody playing with them, play the rhythm part. It starts off, the lead guitar comes in and does that little opening riff, and as soon as it goes boom, the rhythm guitar starts on that note, boom, that note there, okay? And the chords are B minor, D, G, and A, twice round, okay? So it's like repeat. Barricaded windows. Okay, and then we're into the verse. Okay, so you got the idea. So all it is two lots of B minor, D, G, and A for the rhythm guitarist underneath the twangy guitar bit. Okay, I hope that made sense to you all. So we will be back in part 2 to finish the song off with the verses, the chorus, and the bridge section. Okay, bye for now.